So I just want to encourage you guys to cook from home. You got a craving for something, make it. Make it. Look up recipes. Look up my recipes. Come to my channel. Anything. But make it yourself. And 9 times out of 10, it might come out 10 times better than the store. Why? Because you made it. You know, ain't nobody breathing over your stuff but you. And it's just a safer option. All right, so whole milk mozzarella. Let them spread in here. This is what I like on my pizza. You guys can put whatever you want on your pizza. But I do whole milk mozzarella on mine. And then, and we kind of like it cheesy. Try to get it all the way around there. And then I also use a 6-cheese Italian. Has all different types of cheese in there. Romano cheese, Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese, pecorino, provolone. Just a good, nice cheesy pizza. Trying to get down the edges like that, like that, like that. And y'all can pretty much do your pizza any way y'all want. I'm gonna put the rest, thick cheese up there. All right, pepperoni. This one is a boar's head pepperoni that I'm using. But I like to spread the pepperoni like that. I love pepperoni pizza. I don't know about y'all, but I do. All right, I'm putting the pepperoni on the pizza. Love, love, love pepperoni. You can always do a little bit of extra. It ain't gonna hurt nobody. I know it ain't gonna hurt me. This your pizza, right? This ain't like the pizza place. So this ain't like your local pizza joint. They gonna give you a little bit of pepperoni. I like a lot. So this your opportunity. You cook at home. You could add or take away as much as you want. And then I like onions on my pizza. Onions. Onions, onions. I'm only gonna do like maybe half because some of us don't like onions. And when I mean some of us, I mean some of those kids don't like onions. But I like onions. Pile that up. And with some bell pepper on one side. Man, forget it. They better pick it off. I want my pizza to look cute. And one person gonna be mad is Naya. I don't like how much stuff on my pizza. Oh, you're back. Alright. That's it for that. And then I have some garlic butter that I made that I'm just gonna base around the crust. Because I like a garlic butter crust. I like a garlicky crust. So, and I'll post the garlic butter recipe. Simple but yummy. You could just slather and lather that on. Alright, y'all, this is the pizza. And you can do this. My baby's asleep right now, but she would love to do this with me. But you can also do this with the kids. You know, make have a couple of pieces of dough, if you don't have a round pizza pan, you can use like a square cookie sheet, anything. And make pizza dough or buy it store-bought. Buy all the ingredients and have a fun day. Make pizza with the kids. Alright, so this is my pizza. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like when it's done. Okay, y'all, let me show y'all a trick to an awesome pizza. So, y'all see I had started it here where I did the olive oil and the cornmeal at the bottom. I put the pizza in, And then I baked it halfway. Once I baked it halfway and the crust became stable, I turn around and I put it in the oven on the rack like this. All right. And then I'm going to do this. I did that for 10 minutes. I'm going to do this for 6 on the rack. Get the bottom nice and crusty. And then I'm going to pull it out and show y'all what it look like. All right, guys, this is the pizza. I took it out the oven. I basically just slid it back on the pan. And this is it. Get up close, you see all that goodness. Yes. So the pizza takes 20 minutes. Again, like I told you, I did about 10 to 11 minutes inside the pan so that it can form and not spill over. Once it formed its own crust going around, then I took that off and slid it on the rack as you saw and baked that for another 6 to 7 minutes. And then I slid it back and this is it. Gonna cut it up, slice it up, eat it. Oh no! Love you guys.